Hello friends, I am Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. Today I am back with the new lesson. Yes, you are going to learn about what is the difference between present perfect tense and the simple past tense. As you know, in present perfect tense, we always use the third form of the verb. First form is present form, second is past form, and the third one is past participle form of the verb. We always use the past participle form of the verb in present perfect tense, and we always use the past form of the verb in simple past tense. Let's see the other difference. First, something that happened up to now. In present perfect tense, anything happened in the past tense and it is still going on. We use present perfect tense. Example, I have read 3 books this month. This month means this month is still going on and I is the subject, I subject, have is the auxiliary verb, read, it is the third form of the verb. The spelling is same. First form is read, second form is read, and the third form is also read. So I have read 3 books. When this month started, I read 3 books and this month is still going on. I may read many more books. So this month is going on and we use present perfect tense. I have read 3 books this month. In past simple tense, something happened in the past. Any activity or situation that happened in the past tense. It is called simple past tense. Example, I read 3 books last month. That's mean we use last month when the situation has gone. The time has gone. I read 3 books last month. Last month I read 3 books only. I only read 3 books. Let's see the other example. State that existed in the past and still existed. Any state which was in the past tense and still existed. Example, I have known him. I subject, have auxiliary verb. Known is the verb in the third form. Know him. I have known him. That's mean I know this person. I knew this person in the past tense and maybe I'm working with this person. So he is working in my office. So I still know him. I have known him. When I was working in this office, I knew him and still I am going him. I know him. So this situation is continue. And in the past simple past tense, state that no longer existed means past action. I knew him when I was working with him. That's mean I knew the person with I was working with. I knew that person, but when I was working with him, but today I don't know about him. Today I don't know about him, but when I was working with him, I knew him. So I don't have any idea about that person. So situation has gone. This is the past action. Third situation is that anything linked with present time. Any situation or any activity which is linked with the present time. She has been to London 3 times. She is a girl. We use has with the he, she, it. Third person singular number. We use she, has. She has been. This is the third form of the verb be. Been to London 3 times. She has been to London 3 times. She visited 3 times London. In the simple past tense, past action, finished time, that's mean this tense. In past simple tense we use when the past action, when we want to talk about the past action, past activity or finished action. She went to London 3 times. That's mean this lady is no more. She is dead. She went to London in her life 3 times. Time has gone. The lady passed away. So we use simple past tense when the accident or incident has gone, the time has gone. So it brings me to the end of the lesson, guys. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will come up with the new lesson soon. Till then, take care. Bye.